In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the opening balance in Zoho Books. Understanding how to accurately manage your opening balances is essential for maintaining clear and correct financial records, so we'll go through each step carefully to ensure you get it right. First, let's navigate to where you'll be making these changes. Begin by clicking on the Settings, which is represented by the gear icon you'll find situated in the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your gateway to all the configurable options within Zoho Books, tailored to fit your organizational needs. Once you have accessed the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Organization and select Opening Balances. This section is dedicated to setting the financial starting points for your various accounts, a crucial step when setting up your books or making necessary adjustments. Now that we've found the right section, let's proceed to edit the existing balances. You'll notice an Edit button positioned in the top right corner of the Opening Balances page. Click on it to begin the process of updating your account balances. This action unlocks the capability to make changes to the numerical values that reflect the financial stance of your accounts as of the opening date. We've reached the moment where you choose the specific account you'd like to update. This could be any account that you have previously set up, such as cash, bank accounts, or even liabilities. By selecting the right account, you're directing Zoho Books to focus its adjustment on that particular section of your financial records. Once you've selected your account, you're ready to enter the new debit or credit amount. This is the number that represents the new opening balance you want reflected in your books. It's important to double-check these figures. Accuracy here is crucial to maintain the integrity of your financial records. A helpful tip: if your goal is to close an account completely, input a 0 instead of a balance amount. This adjustment effectively zeroes out the account, indicating no activities or balances remain. Upon entering the new values, you'll be prompted to click Continue. This button will guide you to a review section where you can double-check the changes before they are finalized. This is a perfect opportunity to ensure everything aligns with your records and intended outcomes. When you're satisfied with the adjustments, proceed by clicking Confirm. This action locks in the changes, officially updating your opening balance as per the new requirements. And there you have it, an updated opening balance in Zoho Books, achieved smoothly by following these directives. By managing your opening balances effectively, you're ensuring accurate financial tracking from the very beginning. Thank you for joining me today.